Hello students, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell button, press the like button and share it. Today is again one important video I am doing. It's very important. So last one video I did. So in that I was explained the what is electric charge. So now the further things I am moving from this one. So that is now it's a specific properties of charge. अब देखिए यहाँ पर हम क्या है प्रॉपर्टीज इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज के प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है। हर एक का प्रॉपर्टीज रहता है। ओके, अब हमारे भी एक प्रॉपर्टी है, आपका भी एक प्रॉपर्टी है। सो दैट सम यूनिक प्रॉपर्टी इट इज हैविंग, एवरीवन हैव द वन यूनिक प्रॉपर्टी लाइक दैट दिस चार्जेस इज आल्सो हैविंग द वन सम इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज आर देयर. So by understanding that properties we are clearly one get one picture or concept regarding about the charge. What is charge? How we can say it's a charge is there. Now electric charge. Okay, so electric charge is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. The first point I want to discuss about the water. So charge is a scalar quantity. The first point it's about the water. Charge is a scalar quantity. So charge is a scalar quantity. What is scalar? Scalar means what? Which having only magnitude but no direction. So scalar, so it's a physical quantity which having only magnitude but no direction. So we are knowing that if there is no direction, so then we can add by algebraic method. Okay, so it can add or subtract using what algebraic method. So we can add it. So it can add or subtract. Okay, so we can subtract it also. It can add and subtract, and also we can see that so it can represent, or we can say it can add or subtract, or so it is algebraically we can add it algebraically, so we can add or subtract. So what will be happen when it is adding or subtracting? So when it is the charges, it is what added, so then it happens what so there is a excess of charges. So it is a excess of charges. So there may be what if it is negative charge is given to the one body, so it will be excess, means it will go to add it. When this add no, so then there is a excess, we can see that. Or so there is a deficiency of charge also, we can see that. So deficiency means what? Okay, so deficiency of the charge also we can see that deficiency. So deficiency of a charge. So deficiency of charge means when the charge given to the body, so then what happens? No, so there is a what so less amount of charges it will be expressed, then we are going to see that it's a deficiency. When excess of charge is there, that body it will become so what? Electron. Okay, so that is negatively charged because electrons are more. So then excess of charges, that body becomes a negatively charged body. Negatively charged body. Okay, so when deficiency if it is happen, then it is called the positively charged body. Okay, positively charged body. So it means that so there are two types of charges. Okay, so two types of charges. We can see that. So charges, so that is a positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge and negative charge, we can see that. Next property is third property, like charges repel each other. Like charges repel each other. and unlike charges attract each other. Unlike charges attract each other. So it's a nature only. Wherever we can see that the same charges are there, so they are repel each other. Unlike charges, it is attract each other. Means we can see that positive charge. So there is a repulsion is held. Okay, it will be moving this direction. So our negative charge, if you taken that, it will be what, repel with each other. So this we are going to call the repulsion. This we are going to call the repulsion. So then positive or negative, if it is there, positive charge or negative charge, if you are taken the positive charge or negative charge, there is a attraction. Or negative charge or positive charge, if you are taken, so then we are going to see that so it's a attraction, we can see that. So like charges repel with each other, unlike charges attract with each other. So we are going to see that, so the same type of charges are there and it is repulsion is held, and opposite charges if it is there, what attraction is there. अब देखिए यहाँ पे क्या है, सेम चार्जेस, लाइक चार्जेस बोलते हैं हम. पॉजिटिव रहा तो रिपल्शन होता है, नेगेटिव रहा तो भी क्या होता है, रिपल्शन होता है. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव रहा तो अट्रैक्शन होता है, और नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव रहे तो क्या होता है, अट्रैक्शन होता है बोलके. सो दैट इज द अनदर वन प्रॉपर्टी. Okay, so that we are going to call the next property. And next we can see that another one property of this one, so charges is transferable. Okay, so charges is transferable. Okay, charges is transferable means so it can transfer from one body to the another body. Okay, so it can transfer from one body to the another body. So if you take the one charged body, this is the one charged conductor, this one positively charged conductor, it's a glass rod. So when it is touched to the another one uncharged body, so for example this one, it is the one uncharged body. Okay, so this will be the uncharged body. So when it is touch, then what happens, the charges it will be transferred to this body. Okay, so the charges it can be transferred to this body, so that we are going to call charges is transferable. Okay, so charge क्या है, ट्रांसफर होता है. एक चार्ज बॉडी को लेके एक अनचार्ज बॉडी लिए. अब फॉर एग्जांपल एक मेटल है, सो मेटल को क्या है, फर्स्ट करंट नहीं रहता, आप करंट लगाए तो क्या होता है, इसके अंदर पास होता है. So then what happens now? So there is a transferable of charges, you can see that. Okay, so for example another one example we can see that एक और एक example भी लेते हैं. ग्लास रॉड है, ग्लास रॉड it's having the positively charge. Okay, so if you take the one what electroscope if you are taken, so then what happens, so this electroscope when it is touched to this one, so then what happens now, this will be diverge. That will be what, diverge. The same charges when it is enter into this one, so what happens now, the gold electroscope, that gold leaves it will go to diverge it. Gold leaves it is going to be diverge. So that is we are going to call the next property, charge is transferable. Charges can transfer from one body to the another body. Okay, so it can be what, a transfer from one body to the another. So next, that is point, we can see that charge is always associated with the mass. Charge is always associated with the mass. Okay, so charge it is always associated with the mass. It means that so charges cannot exist without the mass. You can see that charges cannot exist without mass. Okay, but mass can exist without mass. So what it indicates that अब चार्ज क्या है विदाउट मास क्या है वो नहीं मिल सकता, मास क्या है विदाउट चार्ज वी कैन सी दैट. Okay, this is without a charge. It's not a mass, it's a without charge. So charges can exist without mass, mass can exist without a charge. So itself it is saying that the presence of charge, so it is convincing the water. So whenever there is a charge is there it is existing water mass. Okay, so the presence of charge itself it is convincing that there is a presence of the charge. So because of that what happens, so when there is a deficiency of the charge or excess of the charge, so there we can see that there is an increase in the mass or decrease in the mass. For example, so this is the one neutral mass, this is the one we can take the water on neutral mass, this is M is the one neutral mass, this is what we are going to call the neutral. Okay, so that is I can call it the M only. So if there is a water positive charge, if it is given, means positive charge means there is a negative transfer of the negative charge, then that body becomes the water positively charged body. This is positively charged. That time we can see that this is the water mass of the positive charge, so that will be lesser than the mass of that neutral body. Means there is a deficiency of the charges. When there is a deficiency of the charges means less number of charges. Less number of charges means less mass. That body exists over the water, less mass. When it is a positively charged body. When it is a negative charged body, so there is an excess of the charge. So that excess of the charge, it is what happens to the mass of the body is going to be increasing. It is more than the mass of this one. So here what happens, so there is a water, electrons are less here, so positive charge is more. So the number of electron is less compared to the number of positively charge. Here what happens, so the number of electrons are more comparable to the water, so this one positively charged. So it means that the mass of positive charge, the mass of positive charge, positively charged body is less than mass of negatively charged body. Negatively charged body. Okay, so this is water charge is always associated with the water mass. So by this we are clearly understanding that charge is water. Whenever there is a charge is there, so there exists the water mass. Without existing water, we cannot get it. So by this what we are getting now, so here the number of the electrons and comparable to the protons are positively charged, the number of so negative charge is less than the number of positively charged. Here the number of water negative charges are more than the number of the positive charge. Okay, so now next properties we can see that charge is quantized. Charge is quantized. So charge is quantized means what? So we can see that charge on any body. So charge on what? Any body. So that will be equal to the what? Integral multiple of the fundamental unit of that charge. So what is it? So that is a Q equal to, it's a N into E. Okay. So charge on any body. This is the what? Charge on the any body. This is charge on any body. Okay, so that will be equal to the, this is N is called integral multiple of charge. So this is fundamental charge, or it is also called the basic charge. Fundamental charge. Okay, so this n is called integral multiple. So that is E is the what? Fundamental charge. That fundamental charge value is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Means, so it never get in the fractions. So it will be in either it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We never going to say that 1.5, 1.6 because it's a quantized. What we are going to call that? It's a quantized charge on any body, that will be give the what? Integral multiple of the fundamental charge. That fundamental charge, it is nothing but what? 1 electron value. The value of 1 electron is the charge on the electron, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so this is we are going to call the what? Regarding about the existence of the charge. So this can be proved by the one great scientist, his name Millikan's. Millikan's oil drop experiment. Okay, so using this experiment, oil drop experiment, he proved that quantization of the charge. He proved the what? Quantization of the charge. He proved the quantization of charge, and it can be proved by the what? Another one, that is atomicity of the charge. Atomicity of the charge. Atomicity of the charge. Okay, so or it is also called what? Quantization of charge or atomicity of the charge. So Millikan's by oil drop experiment, so it is proved that, quantization of charge, or we can say that atomicity of the charge. Okay, so everything is given. But in quarks, if you take the what? In quarks are the what? Elementary particles. Okay, so it is a water elementary particles. It will be exist. So there we are going to see that either it is a plus or minus of so it is a fraction of charge, or either we can see this one or this one. So then it is violated to this quantization of the charge, whether it is violated or not. So that we can understand. Example. Okay, so this we are going to be understanding. So quarks means what? First of all, these quarks are truly elementary particles. It's what? Quarks are what? Truly elementary particles. So which carry the charges that are fraction of electronic charges. Okay, so there are 6 type of charges. In that we can see that first one is up. That is you are going to call the U. Second one we are going to see that char. Second we can see the char, that is C. Okay, char, that we are going to call the C. Third we can see that top or truth. Top or truth we can see it. Top or truth. So all these are having the what? All having that charge is how much? Means that is a plus or minus 2 by 3 E. These are having the water plus or minus so 2 by 3. So next another one we can see that is fourth one. So that fourth one is a down, that is denoted by D. Okay, so down it is denoted by the water D. And fifth one we can see that sideway or strange. Sideway or strange, it is denoted by S. Sixth one, that is bottom or beauty. So name also it is given very wonderful. You can see that char, truth, so this is beauty. Okay, so this we can see that beauty, its value is how much? Means plus or minus 1 by 3E. Okay, plus or minus 1 divided by 3E. Now in elementary particles, we can see that the quark there is a composition of the proton and neutron. So this is the nucleus. So this is the one atom. Here we can see that nucleus, in that there is a proton, neutrons, you can see that. Okay, so this is electron. This is what we are going to call the electron. So this is neutron. Okay, this is proton. Okay, so this is inside the nucleus only. You can see that it's inside the nucleus. Now again, if you take the proton, so there we can see that UUD. So see here. So this is on proton if you are taken. This is on proton if you are taken. So there we can see that 2 by 3 E. Okay, so this is also plus 2 by 3 E. This is also plus 2 by 3 E. This is up, up. Now down. The down value is how much? Minus 1 by 3 E. This is down. So now we can calculate here. So this is plus. Here I can calculate it. Plus 2 by 3. Plus 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So if I take the LCM, that is 2 plus 2 minus 1. So that is 4 minus 1 is 3 by 3. So then it is get the what? 1 electron. Means the value of this one is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Got the thing, sir? So are you understood this one? So next we can see the what? Neutron. The neutron we can see here. So that is down, down and up. So there we can see that. So down, down, up. So down, down, up means this is down. That is minus 1 by 3. This also minus 1 by 3. This is up. That is plus 2 by 3 E. This is up, down, down. UDD we can write it. Here UUD. So this is for the what? Neutron. This is what we are going to see, the neutron. Neutron. Okay, so neutron. So now we can check it here. So that is 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. This is minus 1 by 3. This also minus 1 by 3 E is common. So again we can take the LCM. That is 2 minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, it is 0. 0 means it's a neutral. This is what we are going to call the neutral. Okay, so neutron is a neutral material. What the things? So this way we are going to understand that charges, it is quantized. Quantization or quantized, we can see that. It is what? Quantized. The another the quantized ಇದೆ. What the things, sir? Okay, so I'll stop here only. So thank you. So watching my video. So please watch next also video. And as much as possible share the videos such a way that everyone can get this knowledge. Thank you very much.